Bud Blankenship here. I'm gonna do a screen. I'm gonna add a screen to this frame. This side was missing a screen, and I do have the frame, so we do a little DIY project. And now I have Mikey with me and Nutsy, and I loud air conditioning, but at least it's air conditioning. First, I'm going to remove. Slides right out. I got a roll of fiberglass screening. Hopefully it will do the job. I have a screen tool with a concave and a convex roller and some screen spline. Take the screen out, leave an inch of overlap to where the groove is at, so go about an inch.